A very good afternoon to all of you. I welcome you back after a short break. So, we shall begin with the third session for today. Our talk today is by Dr. Mrs. Vaishali Kamath. Mrs. Vaishali Kamath is a science educator and Atal coordinator. She is a pharmacist by qualification, over 16 years of academic experience in various institutions in Jammu, Delhi, Pune, Vishakhapatnam. She has been a content developer and reviewer associated with ICER. She engages several workshops on scientific attitude, innovation, and patriotism to students and in various organizations. She works for different NGOs, undertaking training to underprivileged students for science related subjects and preparation of Dr. Homi Bhabha Young Scientist exam. She is also a member of the reputed innovation group, Manthan Group, which works for overall development of the students. She is has over she has been an alumni of our college, and it is a privilege to welcome her. So, with this short introduction, I would like to invite Mrs. Vaishali Kamath to initiate her presentation on problem solving skills. Vaishali ma'am, you can start sharing your slides. Hello. Hello. Vaishali ma'am, we can't hear you.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can hear you.
And
Ma'am,
my
can
slides
you?
are visible?
Yeah, the slides are visible. Can you please put them on the slideshow mode?
Okay, just a minute. One after another. May I take it? No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
One. Okay.
Ma'am, can you put it on the full screen mode?
Yes. Full screen, no? This one?
नाही इकडे खाली असतं
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
इकडे आलो
I cannot replace it. No? Just a minute.
आता झूम चालू
After.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Hello, Deepti, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Now we can see
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, good afternoon, all dignitaries. Good afternoon. This is a golden opportunity for me as an alumni of Bharati Vidyapith's Pune College of Pharmacy student. I have completed my pharmacy over there. I'm glad to participate in this Atal FDB, which is organized by our college. I'm thankful to our principal, that is our Pawar sir, and whole PCP team, as well as our Savita ma'am, Dipti ma'am. Thank you, all of you. I have seen Rao ma'am is also there. So all my pharma, all memories I got it. Okay, so I am very thankful that on this auspicious day of Makar Sankrant. I wish all of you, all dignitaries, all participants, very happy Sankrant to you. Happy Ugadi also. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Yes, I will start. So as Deepti ma'am has introduced myself, I have not done doctorate. So I have seen whenever I have when I got this invitation, I have accepted just because I have worked with the Atal things, and whatever experience I have got, that is regarding with the student. Problem solving was one of the skill of leadership, and that was the fantastic what we will say fantastic topic which was selected by Pawar sir, that is the leadership and excellence. And out of that the subtopics were there, and from that problem solving skill, which is very much important for our students, those who are learning, okay, for pharmacist also, pharmacist student also, and those who are from the standard 1st to 10th or 12th, you can say. Okay, so this is problem solving skill, that is leadership and excellence. My name is, as already we have madam has introduced. I would like to tell that after completion of pharmacy, yes, it was opportunity for me to complete my M.Pharm at Karab, but it was not possible. The first problem came in my life, that I was getting it in Karad, but my parents were not able to send me over there. So my wish to complete my doctorate, it was not completed. But yes, the pharmacognosy and pharmacology, yes, that was my favorite subjects, anatomy, physiology. I'm very thankful to our Yadav sir in diploma and Burande sir now principal of Siddhant College of Pharmacy, who was teaching us anatomy, physiology. Tortora, that was the fantastic teaching in PCP. The quality education is meant for PCP, and we all PCP students are thankful to our mother institution, that is Bharati Vidyapeeth's PCP. How to solve the problem? Problem arises. Yes, problem solving skill. That is one of the quality of leader. So how we will say the how we will differentiate the follower and the leader, that we are going to see, which are the different types of problems we are arising in day-to-day life, how to overcome them, which are the different type of qualities which are required, and what is the need of problem solving skills. Just now it is very much required in Atal. So Atal is meant, if you know, everybody knows that Atal is run by Niti Aayog, that is the central government has taken this project. Niti Aayog is running, and our Ramanan sir is the head of that. So it is required. Previously, what was happening, that the only scientists, they were doing the research work. Whatever the work was done, it was published in the journals and it was circulated, and those who are taking the high quality high education, only those students or those students, we will say, that is M.Pharm or PhD students, they were reading that. But what was the problem, that there was no interaction of the young budding scientists, that is the students, school students and the scientists, and this gap was overcome by introduction of this Atal. So Atal, that is the FDP, which is based on this Atal, that problem solving skill. We are going to see different. Just a minute. So yes.
Hello, Vaishali ma'am. I think there is some technical problem from Vaishali ma'am's side. Please bear with us for a short while. She will be back.
Just a minute.
Hello?
Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice just went off for a few minutes.
So if you can see, different qualities of leadership or leadership qualities of good leaders. Yes, we are able to see different type of leaders are there when the politics is there, different type of institutions are there. So how to differentiate the good leader and the bad leader? We are, yes, first one is the leader. What do you mean by leader? The person who is going to lead the institution. In different type of circumstances, it might be a good the favorable conditions or the unfavorable condition. Unfavorable conditions, if it is there, so we know one example which is given in science, that is the unfavorable condition. If the soil is fertile, seeds are of good quality, the farmer is also taking different type of and quality agricultural practices. Okay, but the things, whatever, if the pesticide is used badly, if it is used in excess quantity, then whatever effort he has taken, it will go in vain. So whatever efforts are there, what knowledge is required for a leader, it is very much needed to run the institution efficiently. So how we will rectify the good leader qualities? What are those? Just we will have that. First, a good communicator. Whatever information he is having or whatever is required from the followers, it should be communicated properly by the leader. It might be the communication skill, yes, convincing skill should be there. Okay, the conceptual skill, the different skills are required, that is convincing and conceptual skill is very much required whenever you are going to give the whenever you are going to deliver the lectures or sessions. So good communication, what are your expectation, it should reach to the your employees, whatever employees are there or students are there. Okay, when if it is educated, what you are expecting from your student to solve the problem, it should reach through the good communication. So second one, if we will see, that is the creativity and innovation. Yes, we will see the same task is there, the same curriculum is there, and different schools are there. Different schools are there, even different for example, 10th standard is there or 12th standard is there, and one subunit is there. But if we will see, if we will attend all lectures which are given by the different lecturers, you will see variation is there. Variation is there. Some are using PPT, some are using directly the traditional methods, are the traditional teaching methods they are using. Some are doing the blending, that is what you will take help of the PPT as well as the extra information will be given. Some innovation will be given by the leader. What do you mean by creativity? Ask the creativity means the things are normal. Whatever things are given to all of them, it is normal. But how you are going to present it creatively with different type of ideas you can put forth. Third one, if you will see, that is the decision making capabilities. Decisions are taken. If we will see the example, just now we have undergone this pandemic situation was there, and it was a very difficult decision was taken by our respected Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi ji, that everything, all factories, all industries, they were stopped. Everybody was compelled to sit at home. Everything all over world, it was implemented just for the sake of to save the life. So why this decision was taken by, but one major thing, that the education has not stopped. Even though all industries they have stopped, okay, no production was there, everything was stopped, education was not stopped, and online, that was the decision taken by our government, by our state government as well as our central government, that our next generation should get their education. And this year, yes, there was a conflict. Yes, some were telling that yes, we will take without, we will give the passing certificate directly. Some were opposing that yes, don't give. The students or those who are appearing for the exam, they are supposed to give the exam, they are supposed to show their talent, and then only they are supposed to get the certificate. So the different opinions were there, and finally the decision was taken that yes, you are supposed to give the online exam, and this decision was taken by our education minister. Yes, definitely. I would like to elaborate this decision making that the NEP, new education policy, was implemented, or it was just now it was shown by our education minister. So what was that new education policy? Yes, it was whatever. Now we will see one by one what the education problem, whatever the rural area or the urban area, some problems were taken by the normal citizens. Okay, it was my government in, you might be knowing that the Modi ji, they are running this my government in. So you can give your opinions, you can give your views, you can give your solutions over there. They have given the problem, like our Arvind Kejriwal, he is also doing in Delhi. He is just giving one problem to Delhi people, and he is asking the solution from them. Yes, everybody is not going to give the solution, and everybody's solution is not going to get implemented. Yes, he is going to analyze, and from that, whatever is possible, the best possible decision, he is going to implement. And that decision making capacity is making good leader. Next one, we will see confidence. So what will come under confidence? Yes, definitely. If the person is not showing the confident, he is not confident about his knowledge, he is not confident about his gestures. The person, whenever he is giving any information, in academic institutions also, you must have seen different type of lecturers. You must have seen. So some are having they are lacking the confidence. So yes, confidence makes the person to give whatever he has. Nobody is perfect in this world. Nobody. Everybody should learn. Everybody is trying to learn different. In some area, he is excellent. In some area, he might have a little knowledge. No problem. Keep learning. Okay, learning, it should not stop. But yes, the confidence about whatever he has or she has, it should be reflected whenever he or she is delivering the lecture, or he is giving he is guiding. Next one, inspire others. So about this, yes, we have seen that inspiration, it will come from the leaders. Okay, we have seen yoga din celebration. Whenever we are going, we are watching all this YouTube and all. Yes, whenever we are observing our PM, that is our PM Modi ji, that is the head person of our country. He is performing this what you will say, he is taking only 5 hours or 4 to 5 hours sleep, and the whole day he is working. At this age, he is doing out of 24 hours. If he is taking only 4 to 5 hours sleep and he is working, why he is working? He don't have any family, but why he is thinking about nation? He is having some vision. Yes, that we are going to see that he is inspiring. Yes, whenever the students or the people, they will see that yes, our PM is also performing, or he is also giving some time for our physical exercise, yoga, whatever that is a tradition we have got from our ancestors. Whenever this yoga and all Ramdev Baba and all whatever they are doing just now, it is the need of time. That the awareness is whenever we are watching the YouTube channels or live Ramdev Baba, yes, definitely the people are getting inspired. The amount of the medicines which they were taking, it is now reduced. The people are getting aware about their health awareness it has been launched by our Ramdev Baba. So he is inspiring others. So he is also a great leader. Empathy. Yes, definitely. Now during this lockdown, what happened? This online education was going on. Definitely in this urban areas, yes, everybody, all both parents are having all the requirement. That is, the laptop is there, all mobiles are there, digital mobiles everywhere. But what about the rural areas? In rural areas, the underprivileged students are there, the families are there, they do not have, even in some areas in Pune city or any city area also, we will see that some people, they are not getting food only, they are not having the clothes or the primary needs. As I have heard the first inauguration lecture that the needs, how they are going, how they are increasing. But when we will think about the to fulfill their primary needs, they are not having food for 2 times also, how they can afford mobiles for online education? That is called empathy. Think about them and what you can do as a leader. That is the policy, whatever you are going to decide, it will depend on that. So empathy, please feel the problems of the other person. Okay, if anybody is coming for taking leave, yes, he is going under pressure that his mother, just now it has happened during lockdown, wherever you are, you will stay there only. It has happened, yes or no? So what was happened? Yes, the young people, those who were out, yes, out of station, they were away from their parents and they were compelled to stay there only. So they were away from their parents, and who is going to take care of? So that was the empathy, how you are going to feel, what is the mental condition, what is the mental, how he can take the decisions. What is that is called as the empathy. So think about others' problem. That is the main quality of the good leader. Now, main thing, that is the problem solving skill, we are going to see in detail. Honesty and integrity. When the person, if we will see the politics, whatever is going on just now, sorry to say that, but it is the truth. Whenever you will see that honesty, if you will see the condition of the roads of the Pune, okay, Pune roads, yes, one is coming and yes, the roads are ready. After that, somebody is coming again, the road, that pipes, different type of pipes will be there, cables will be there, water pipes will be there. Yes, so who is honest? Yes, we are expecting honesty. Why? Because there is percentage for everybody. Yes, you are not supposed to use good quality of material for road making. Why? Because you will not get the what it's called as a contract next time, because it will run for a longer time. It will be more safer. But yes, instead of that, if you will use inferior quality of material for road making, definitely after some time, some problem will be there. And again, the government is going to ask me to repair that only. So I'm going to gain. That is not called as a honesty. So be honest, whatever skills you have, you just pay for that. Yes, the people are paying for, yes, whatever we are paying, whatever income tax we are paying, the tax is going to where? Yes, to government, and government is paying all those things, all taxes, yes, whatever we are paying to them. So indirectly we are paying to them. So we have right to ask them why this is happening. Honesty we are losing in politics, and politics is the main important thing where the decisions are taken, about all of us. So it is needed, honesty is needed, and which we are observing in our Prime Minister. Integrity is also needed. Any institution will be there, and now whatever festivals are there, any celebration will be there. In those celebration, yes, it might happen that few people, they will think, I'm not going to celebrate this. Why I should celebrate? I'm belonging to another religion. Why I should celebrate this? No, such type of things should be avoided. Yes, we can. Yes, we are supposed to respect the feelings of others also. Whatever celebration is there, see, one factory is there or one office is there, and today only Makar Sankranti is there, few offices are going on, yes or no? So integrity means, although that is the speciality of our India, our Bharat, that is even though diversity is there, we can see the integrity. Different type of knowledge, different type of languages are there, different type of this geographical, what you will say, geographical map, geography is there. So as a whole, the India is celebrating Sankranti, but the names are given different. But whatever the reason behind that, that is holding the integrity. Integrity is very much required, because if the leader is going to hold the integrity is controlled by leader, then only whatever decisions he has taken or whatever policies he has taken for growth of that institution, it can work or it will be implemented properly for the growth of the institution. Otherwise, what will happen? The decision was taken by the leader, but no integrity. Diversity is there. He will apply this rule, that will apply, the another person will apply that rule, and what will happen? Whatever was expected goal was there. Now we are not going to reach that. Yes or no? So what is happening here? The integrity. We all are together. That feeling should be there. Okay. Next, we will come to commitment and passion. Yes, there should be a passion. I want to complete this task. What is needed for this? What type of skills are needed? What I should avoid for this? Okay, so if I want to do this, to whom I should refer? Who can give me good suggestions? Who can help me? Who can tell me my faults also, so that I can work on that? So all this with passion, if you will follow any thing, okay, definitely you are going to get this, you are going to get success, definitely. Just now on 12th January, we have celebrated birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda ji. What he has told, उठो जागो और जब तक आपका ध्येय प्राप्त ना हो आप उसके पीछे लगे रहो. Strength is what is life is strength and weakness is death. So whatever passion, everybody's passion is different. Everybody's passion is different. So you are supposed to do your SWOT analysis. What do you mean by SWOT? The MBA students, they know very well strength and weakness. If I have this strength within me, or how I can use those strength for the this growth and development of my institution, it is required. If my weakness is there, this is my weakness, I am lazy, and because of my laziness, if my work is getting affected, and my whatever documents it should be reached in time and it is not getting, so who is going to lose? Institution. So if any institution, it might be academic, any institution where the people are working, so passion should be there, the task completion, that feeling should be there. Now commitment, yes, definitely, commitment is needed. Leaders are supposed to stick to this commitment. Only after 5 years they are coming to ask, yes, please vote for me, I will do this, I will do this. Yes, they are doing this. What happens once we will give the votes are delivered? Okay, after that nobody will come. Now this scenario has changed. Now the scenario has changed. The people, the leaders in politics also, they are also working nicely, because the leader is different. As when the leader will apply the things, yes, obviously the followers are also going to, they have to apply. Yes, one example that I have heard, that yes, if you want your workers to work for more than 10 hours or 12 hours, then you should work more than 12 hours. Then only they are going to follow you. So that commitment should be there. That commitment means yes, whatever the date is given for submission date is this, on or before you are supposed to complete it. Yes, it might happen. Yes, some incidences might be there that you are not able to stick to your commitment, but it should be few times, or you can say, or you can convey your problem to your followers, that because of this reason I was not able to convey, or I was not able to commit, whatever was committed by me, it was not delivered properly. Last one is the vision. Vision is very important. Whenever any problem is there or no, every time we are not going to see whatever is the problem. Now vision means visionary, the person who is going to see what will happen next. Okay, after 25, now many people, they have already predicted that yes, this is ICT application. Okay, now just now the app development is going on, the Python is going on, then robotics, okay, Scratch programming. It is all students, school students are doing well in this. Previously it was not there. Only math, geography, science, social sciences, PT, and all these typical subjects were there. But now it has been changed. It has been changed when the Atal was introduced in schools. Yes, definitely in all school it is not there, but because of the hackathon, then different type of CSIR, so different type of projects are taken from the student. They are inspired by the people. They are inspired. That is called inspired awards. Whenever the problem is taken by them and it is work or the solution is given by the students only. Okay, so this is the next generation. Just now we are the people like me, they are from back generation. Just now whatever the students are there, they know more in ICT. They are telling us, yes, this is I don't have any shame that yes, definitely because of this pandemic situation, immediately there was a change in education policy, that immediately offline to online. So it was a burden for all educators to arrange all those things, to get ready mentally, physically, with the equipments and everything. But yes, we Indians, we have done that with successful. We are successful. Why? Because the visionary leader, that is Modi ji, he has taken, yes, he has taken the nice decision that already whether the student is at village or whether the student is in the city, yes, he should get the education. It should not stop. And free, no, he will not get the free promotion. He has to give the whatever content is delivered to him, whatever is taught to him, he has to give. Yes, the type of questioners will be different. The test will be different, that is MCQ. It might be short one, no lengthy question, but yes, he should give. Means that phobia, that fear of exam should be there. Otherwise, what will happen? Yes, the batch will be called as COVID batch, and that will be for long time. Okay, whenever at the end of your life also, yes, I was passed during that. What was the masters, those who have given this masters examination, they also have given exam. Whatever the circumstances were there, yes, they have undergone the tension, no problem, but finally they are successful. So these are the different qualities of leader or good leader, we will say. Okay, just a minute.
Hello, ma'am, would you like us to share?
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Just a minute.
काय करायचं क्लिक करायचं क्लिक करायचं मग पुढे जातात.
Yes. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. Sorry to this. What is happening in the corner only? I'm getting your views, and I'm not getting that icon. No problem. I'm learning. Yeah. So problem solving. Yes. Problem solving skill. It is very important. So different type of problems will be there. Definitely, whenever from the childhood till the end of our life, different type of problems will be there. The students are facing problem in their education. Whenever the mother is thinking that yes, my child is now he is very small, I'm facing just the problems, but later on whenever he will grow, I will not face any problem. But this is not true. As our child will grow, the type of problems will differ. I think all parents are agree with me. Yes, the child growth is there, development is there, but the type of problems are different. Previously, the mother has to take care of that child Yes, but slowly, whenever the adolescent age, the age will increase, the type of problem will differ. He will face different type of problems. The confident level might decrease or increase, overconfident or less confident. Okay, so what will happen in institution if the student, if the we are taking one example, if the student is facing problem of lack of confidence, yes, definitely it is going to affect his conceptual skill. I hope you are agree with me. If he is facing some problem while during the math class, he is not able to understand the mathematical operations, then what will happen? He is not asking, he is after he is having the phobia or fear for maths teacher, might be the reason, or he don't want to ask in front of everybody, that might be the cause. Yes, but he will keep whatever he is having, that doubts are there, he will keep in mind. What will happen in next standard, he will go, but he is not able to apply the knowledge he has got, because he has not got the knowledge and he has kept his doubt in mind. That problem will be exceeded. The depth of that knowledge, problem will increase day by day, and once the height will be there, that he will lose total interest from that subject. Definitely, whenever he is going to complete, okay, he will leave maths, and he will take biology and others, or otherwise commerce. Whether he will go for commerce, it is needed. Maths is needed. Okay, maths is needed in everyday life. This is the concept that teacher has to inculcate. The maths is supposed to be learned with fun. So learn maths with fun. That should be the attitude, that should be the policy, that should be the vision of the teacher, educator of maths. So with the different type of hands-on experiences, yes, you can engage this. Not necessary that every time you are supposed to solve the problems on paper. Many times orally, or you can ask that student, don't copy any problem from the textbook. You can create your own problem. Only what is the number you are going to change, but the feeling of fulfillment that I have formulated the problem, and which is taken by teacher in front of every student that is in class, that will build up the confidence. Problem of asking doubt in maths will be cleared, and he will feel that yes, maths is my own, what you will say, maths is my own subject like other subjects. And once he will get that interest in maths, definitely the mathematician, you must have seen the people, those who are solving the maths perfectly, they are doing excellent job. I'm not saying that those who are not having maths, they are not doing, they are doing, but the maths people, they are doing it faster. Yes, so there might be a different opinion. Sorry for that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Dipti ma'am, you can next slide. If are you ready for that, ma'am?
Ma'am, should we share it?
No problem, ma'am. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am.
So, hi, no problem. Till that time, I will just elaborate. So yes, different type of problems will be there. Definitely, the girls. When we are going to think about the girls, that is the female type of problems will differ from the age. Okay, adolescent age problems are different. During the during learning, that is just now I have talked. Yes, the many parents, they are not ready to send their girl child, yes, girl students abroad or anywhere else, that they are thinking that yes, she should be in front of you, she should be in safe hand, and I can tackle if any problem will be there. That my girl child should be with me for safety. That is a problem, and because of that, they are losing many opportunities, and it will continue. What is their thinking, that yes, once she will get married, my problem is solved. But if some people are there, few of them might be, they agree that from that also the problem also start after marriage, because many times the few females, they are getting good environment, they are getting favorable environment for their career. Okay, but many of them, they are not getting it. So what is the use of their skills? What is the use of their excellence in any subject? What is the use if they are not getting the chance to show it, to excel? So the problem arises over there. And once the brain is brainstorming, things are happening, and once the mind is empty, we call it as devil's mind, and the different things will happen. So again, problems will increase. So problems will be different at different age for different sex. Okay, so it will differ. Now problem is there with the small kids also, and problem is there for older people also. We have seen that only the severity, only the type of problem, it will differ. What problem solving skill it should have, the institution leader should have that capacity or that skill to solve the problem. Because what is happening nowadays, yes, what is happening nowadays, whatever, yeah, next one, no problem, ma'am. The age limit is not there for different courses, and different age people, they are taking admissions for different type of courses. So that is the leader who has to tackle all age students at their own level. So next one is problem solving skill. One, yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dipti, ma'am. So here one puzzle has been shown, the different type of pieces are shown. Okay, and in second one, you will see the person has able to, he is successful. He has whatever pieces of problem were there, he is able to place it in proper or correct or right position, so that he is having that solution. Now this was the problem. Left side I can see the problem, and the right side I can see the solution. So this is one, what will you say, this is one example that only these are the pieces. But when we are working in any institution, these are one example, that is one piece is representing one small problem. The another black one is showing one a small another problem. When these small problems will come together, it will show, it will create a big problem. So before that only, we are supposed to work upon each small problems. Each small problems, when it is solved at the earlier stage only, it will not create a huge problem. And when huge problem will be there, it is not manageable. Most of the time leaders are not able to manage it. So small problems whenever will be there, try to solve it at your own level. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, Dipti, ma'am. Hello, Dipti, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I get the next slide?
Yes, just a minute.
Yeah, no problem. Rao, ma'am. Good afternoon, Rao, ma'am. I can see. Hello.
Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Yes. It is visible. Yeah. So it shows that the problem solving, what are the different steps are there. Okay, different steps means any problem will be there, what type of how you are going to solve. Okay, the concept is given, the advice, information, analysis, goal, strategy, and the teamwork. All this, it will contribute together. Okay, whenever problem will be there, how to solve the problem, that different type of steps will be there. First step will be, we are going to see in detail that first step, that is why it is there. Okay, why it is there, how it is there, and when it is there, that 4W and 1H, that also we are going to see. So 5 steps or 5 or more than that, the steps of problem solving, it is shown over here. Yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, so these are the problem solving steps we are going to see. Yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, so here, if you are able to see, identify the problem, define the problem, okay, then you will see, yes, the different solution you are supposed to take. After defining the problem, you are supposed to work on that. That is called as a protocol. Okay, so for example, I'm giving this Atal, under Atal, what is different type of topics are given, different type of subtopics are also given to students. Okay, and they are supposed to select one topic and identify the problem related with that subtopic in our environment or daily life. So for example, I'm giving that you must have seen that during this wedding programs or any function, what is happening? The road is full, that is crowded. It is crowded with the vehicles because of the parking of the vehicles. So one student, he must have think about that, and he has think that yes, the parking space is that much only. Whether I can make anything else or protocol or any solution is there for this. In Pune, we are suffering a lot of problem. That is a parking problem. So anything else we can do for this? Any problem? Yes, definitely. If you will see nowadays, whatever the builders, they are giving 2 stores are there. Yes, in parking only we can park 2 cars. So the space is that much only. Okay, so one student, he has identified the problem, he has defined the problem, and he has started for solving different type of solutions. Which are the different solutions? Then he has designed one model. Okay, that model was designed by him, and yes, in the same, what we will say, in the same space, he can, just like a giant wheel. Okay, one car is here, one car is here, one car here. So in one wheel, you can say that 5 to 6 cars. So in less space only, we can park 5 to 6 cars, and whenever which car is needed, like the giant wheel, we can remove that car. So this was the protocol he has given. But yes, that project was also nice. I can give one more example, that the sensors. Yes, so under Atal, I would like to tell you that under Atal, yes, robotic is also there, scratch programming, different type of sensor also they are used. Okay, so with the use of sensor, one student, when he was from the village, okay, what he has done, many times the water content of the soil, if it is less, then how we will come to know? Every time the monitoring is not there. It might happen that yes, the farm or that field is away from the uh, person is living away from the field. So it might happen that yes, the dryness of that field, it will increase. And what will happen? Yes, definitely few crops are there which require continuous moisture, and it might affect if the moisture is not there. So what he has done, moisture detector, that the sensors where he has incorporated the sensors over there, moisture content detectors. Okay, and because of that, in the mobile also he was getting that, and he has given training to his father also how to detect. After, he has not stopped here only. After this sensor, he has made the arrangement that yes, to what limit or what is the volume of water which should be supplied to that field. So this is called as a problem solving, and which was done. Yes, but what is leader? The leaders, they should see, yes, the person is doing efforts and he is doing these things. Yes, I should motivate them. So many times it is happening that yes, these students are giving a lot of solutions, and these solutions now with protocol, it is given to Atal Niti Aayog, and Niti Aayog is also taking note of this, and the students are getting reward. Next slide, ma'am. Next slide, ma'am. Dipti, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So imagination to solve the problem, or yes, a previous one, ma'am. Previous one. Imagination. Just now we have taken one example, that is the same example for imagination. He has thought beyond, yes, out of the box, it is needed. He has imagined, yes, if the water content will be less, what will happen? That student has imagined that if the bill will be there and the less space is there, what will happen? Yes, the students, the main important thing, that is the imagination, the environmental problem, that is the waste management. What will happen with the plastic waste? So the imagination was there, and the students, they have started using this waste, that is the plastic waste, and they have recycled it, reused it, and they have prepared decorative bird feeders and different type of decorative items. Yes, definitely with such type of thing, even the plastic bricks were utilized by them. It is automatically reducing the problem which is occurring because of plastic, because plastic is not getting decomposed, that is a non-biodegradable. What will happen to it? Okay, it is taking many years to decompose. So this problem was thought by many students, by many thinkers, and the leaders have given promotion to them. And if you know, might be a few of you, Sagar Mitra, the Sagar Mitra, one institution is there which is run by Mr. Bodhankar. Okay, so many schools, they are now implementing on each Friday, they are collecting this plastic. So the huge problem of plastic collection was, it is getting solved. So we should thank for this such type of institutions which are taking initiative for to solve the problem. Next slide, ma'am. Dipti, ma'am. Yes, the problem solving requires transparent communication where everyone's concern and points of view are freely discussed. What do you mean by this? If you will see, there are 1H and why, how, what happened, the problem, why it has happened, how it was, how it has occurred. So all these analysis is required. There might be team is there. So if the team is there, the leader has to take care that the transparent communication should be there. The freely, it should be freely discussed. Okay, my boss is there, how I should discuss. You must have seen one movie that was, I think Akshay Kumar's movie, and I don't remember the name. That one. Chaiwala was there. The police, all the policemen, they were discussing about the problem, how to catch that. I don't remember. Sorry to say, Akshay Kumar's movie was there. So he has that analysis, and he has that what you can say imagination. He has gone to that problem. He has analyzed it. He has started imagination. He has worked on that, and like this we can catch that person. He was having that, but only he was I think a driver. He was, yes, he was driver, and how the driver can give advice to the seniors. This is the problem. So this type of fear should not be there. Everybody, whoever it is, the persons in the group, they are supposed to communicate freely and without fear. They are supposed to communicate, because we don't know who is having the right solution. So please, a leader is leader should have the this quality, that transparent communication is needed. Yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, innovation. Just now we have discovered about the innovation. This is innovation separates a leader from the follower. If you will find out different innovative ideas for different problems, definitely those ideas will be followed by the followers, because followers every time they are not able to think out of the box. Out of the box, yes, first time the people will laugh at you because you are thinking out of the box. Yes, whatever the traditional thinking is going on, you are thinking out of the box. So people will laugh at you, but afterward you will see that those people only will accept your ideas. They will start to implement it. That is the innovation. But yes, obviously for the first time, yes, a few people, they might they might have some problem with your ideas. So don't worry about that. Whatever you want, you think that it is right, so it's okay. You can take guidance of your seniors. What is the problem? And I have this solution. it will work or not, or whatever will be the problems associated with my innovation, how to tackle with them. This discussion, that is the constructive discussion, should be there. Okay, so the leader will have the innovative ideas, and it will succeed, and it will give, or it will contribute towards the success and growth development of the institution. Yes, so you can see the ideas, the difficulties, solution, process, thinking, and innovation. Yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, so creative solution, creative thinking is needed. Creative critical thinking which is needed whenever the great leaders always focus on creative solutions and not the problem. Every time the great leaders, they are not giving, every time they are not going to give, yes, this is the problem, why I should do. This is the problem, how I should do. They are not going to focus on the problem. They will try to find out the solution from that. Yes, it might be difficult to implement. It might be difficult to get it implemented by the people or by the followers. Okay, so this just now we have undergone, yes, the great leaders, they have taken that the creative solution, online education, online exam, online evaluation. So it was difficult for the followers like teachers and educator. How? Because we don't know, we were checking, yes, papers and all, and yes, online evaluation tools, they were fantastic, and the people have taken training, and online training, it has helped. So the creative solutions were given by the leaders, and it was effectively implemented by all the academic people, and it now we can see the fruit that this generation, in this pandemic situation also, nobody, not a single student is getting deprived from the education. Yes, ma'am. Next one. Yes. So what happened? Just now the pandemic situation was there. Everybody was panic. Yes. What is the response? Yes. My God, online education, how I should do? What will happen? Yes. What about the connectivity? I'm not getting connectivity. How? But the principals or the principals of institutions, they must have taken a lot of meetings. Okay. They must have given some assurance that yes, this is problem will be there, I will be there with you, all technology will support you. So such type of they are thinking, yes, they panic situation is avoided by the great leader to solve the problem. They are giving the solutions by keeping themselves calm. When they are calm, at that time they can think creatively, they can think the rigid solution which will be implemented by their followers, by their colleagues, or the students also. Yes, next please, ma'am. Yes, I will either find a way, or I will prepare another way. Either traditional method is there. Yes, I will go by this traditional teaching is there. I will go by this. Otherwise, I will find another way which will be different from this. Yes, but for making another way, I have to take more efforts, because whatever the route was taken by previous people, now it is the established one. I don't have to take much more effort on that for going on that road. But if I want to make my own road or my own path, I have to clear my path, and then I can move forward. So I have to take more efforts when I'm going to create a new path, but definitely it is also going towards the same goal with different creativity. Yes, ma'am. Next slide. Yes, this is the one smart example you will say, that is the when teamwork is there to solve the problem. Teamwork is very much needed for solving the problem, because everybody is having some skill. Nobody is perfect and nobody is negligible. Yes, everybody is having that skill. As I mentioned earlier, that SWOT analysis is needed for every student, for every person. Which are the key strength I have, and which are the weaknesses I have to work on. I have to work upon it. So the skill, whatever you are having, it should be utilized by the other people also, so that the product, that is the product, or what just now here you can see the elephant which is carried by the team, that is the birds, they are carrying the huge weight, the teamwork, whatever the size of the problem will be there, the huge problem will be there, yes, it can be solved, but definitely the team should be united, the teamwork is needed, and that is the team building is the main important thing in problem solving. Yes, next ma'am. Yes, problem solving cycle, you can see the plan of action should be there. Then do means the action should be implemented. Then check that as we know that in pharmaceutics and all quality control tests are there. Okay, like that only checking is needed and act upon that. That is the whatever is the protocol you can give to others to use that protocol or use that design model to for others so that they can also use. Here the problems are there, but the problems, the leaders are supposed to give different type of solution, that is solution A, solution B, if it will not work. Yes, the same thing here. Yeah, a problem. Yes ma'am, next slide. So you should have if it might happen that the solution A, that is the A plan, it is not working, might be some different problems are there, so solution B should be ready, even though solution B is not working because of different problem, solution C should be there. So you are supposed to think the priorities are given, if this will not happen, this can be done. So to solve, what is the main aim? To solve the problem efficiently. Yes, you can see here the problem solving, the intelligent, genius, negotiation, different type of choices you can see. Yes ma'am, next slide. Yes, trial and error, and don't think about the problem, think about the solution, as we have discussed. Trial and error, so different trial and error we can see when I would like to give one example. Then when we in pharmacy, when we were doing that pharmaceutics, Pawar sir was taking that practicals and all, 4 hours practicals we were conducting, sir were conducting, and everybody was doing creams, emulsions. Yes, so what was happened, the cracking noise that it should be there when we are using that mortar and pestle. Trial and error, first time whenever we have tried, yes, emulsion, yes, we have dispensed in a bottle and we have kept for checking, but what happened when sir has started for checking, it was the breaking of emulsion was there and it was settled down. So again the separate phases were there. So yes, but definitely we learn that, we learn how to make the cream, when to add that noise, that voice will be there. Yes, everything. Yes, we need practice for some actions. Yes, by trial and error method you can get the excellence. Yes, next slide ma'am. Yes, creative thinking, as I have mentioned that the mission, just now the mission education was there, the new education policy, if you will see the problem, many problems were there in education policy, it has been now solved. It was if, for example, I'm giving one example that the leader, the education minister, he has not taken only, he has the only person, he is not the only person who has taken decision, or he has not prepared that policy. He has taken views from different type of different institutions, the experts, the educators, they have given some solutions, and then this education policy was implemented. Now it has came. Yes, it has a few nice guidelines that even though if any student is not able to complete his degree, okay, so in meanwhile first year is completed, second year is completed, and he has to leave because of the some problem is there and he has to leave. So what was previously was happening that yes, he was not getting any type of only second year B Pharm, if it is there, then that will be over there, no pharmacy, nothing, a certificate was, I'm just giving example. So it was there, but now yes, even though if he has left Pune, it is not possible for him to complete the third year, fourth year here in Pune, but yes, he can complete from other side, wherever he will go, or if gap is there in education, gap is there, yes, again also he can join that. that is, the credit is given to him, that whenever he want to start his education, he want to continue, yes, definitely these 2 years will be considered. Okay, this is just example I have given, because it is happening in others, that mechanical engineering is there, or this first year the people have completed and they don't have that strength, they have left. But it might happen that after some years they will have that strength, I want to complete my mechanical engineering diploma or degree, then yes, they can complete it. So creative thinking was there and the solutions were given and the problem of education was solved. The one thought I would like to mention over here: if you want to destroy any nation, you can destroy the education system. The same thing has happened in India. Whenever the Britishers, what they have done, they want the clerks, and that's why that education, such type of education was given to us, that yes, till we will get any degree, we are not supposed, we were not able to earn any money. But yes, nowadays the students are learning different type of skills. So skill development is the main advantage of this education system, that they are going to get from 6th standard onwards, they are going to get different type of skills, so that they will come to know how to remove puncture, how to do different type of small things. That is the yes, it has happened that yes, if the physics professor is there, or just examples I am giving, so it has happened that how to solve this problem at home, only they don't know and they are asking the electrician to come. So it should be avoided. It should be avoided means the skill should be with students. So students are not now, they are small thing during this skills are incorporated, and with the help of these skills they are going to succeed in their life. So we are on the way of strong nation, I would like to say. Yes, next ma'am. I hope I'm not boring. If yes, Dipti ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but
Yeah,
I would like to mention
yes,
here that we have only 15 minutes in hand.
okay. I will take fast. I will
Yeah.
take fast.
After
Yes.
that 10 minutes, we can have question and answers.
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. So
Thank you.
I have 10 minutes or just now?
Ma'am, you can take 15 minutes more.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So next, decision making is very important in problem solving. Decision making, yes, there are different. Here we can see that the key is with that girl and different locks are there. So she has to make decision that it belongs to which which lock. So the same situation is there in different type of institutions. Yes, if this is a problem, then 1 2 3 4 like that 10 solutions are there. Which one I should get, which solution is perfect match for my problem or to solve my problem, because we have time limit, because we have to follow the management. That is, the time is also it is required within the time or before the time. That task should be completed with quality. Yes, only one task is given and I have to complete it, that's it. How? With quality. Okay, so quality, yes, you have to find out the solution correctly. How you will do? Just now before this slide we have seen trial and error method. When you will do different type of thing, innovative things, your brain will start thinking, automatically it will start thinking different. You will be thinking out of the box. Array, this is my observation, but why other students are not observed, they are not able to observe it. I am able to, I have this question I am supposed to ask ma'am. Okay, so thinking is different, the questioning skill, because just now the questioning skill is only getting lost. Okay, questioning skill is very important, that it should be implemented or it should be inculcated among the students. So what is happening, the questioning skill, definitely once the questioning skill will increase, definitely to get the answer, how to approach the answers, it will also increase and you will get the right solution for the right problem. Okay, next slide ma'am. Yes, this is the picture which is showing the leader. Okay, what this leader is doing, yes, the problem is there that if all blocks will fall, means whatever efforts he has taken, it is going in vain. But no, he has taken efforts to stop. He has taken efforts, yes, to form or to identify one step which is needed, which will stop the complete loss, which will stop my complete loss. Yes, whatever loss I have gone, yes, whatever loss is there, yes, it is, I will stop, I will take one preventive measure. In pharmacy, we must have heard that is in treatments and all medicines, we are learning that preventive measure is there and curative measure is there. What do you mean by this preventive and what do you mean by curative? Here the problem is there. Here the problem is there because of some problem, the blocks are they are falling down, but the person has to take the preventive measure. Now he is taking the curative measure. The disease is there and the doctor is giving the curative medicine for that. But nowadays again the life has been changed. The people are taking some precautions. The people are taking preventive measures to keep their body healthy. So the leader is supposed to identify where to stop my loss or where I am supposed to take the preventive measures. So this is one example, fantastic example which is given over. Yeah, next slide, ma'am. Yes, thinking. Yes, any institution is there, different type of people are there, different type of thinking is there. One might be, yes, in MBA you must have seen that there are different type of people. Some are saying that yes, you are okay, but I am not okay. Second one is saying you are not okay, I am okay. Third is saying that you are okay, I am also okay. Fourth one is saying you are also not okay, I am also not okay. So such type of people will be there, but how to integrate their thoughts for the development of the institution, that is the skill of the problem solver, that is the skill of that efficient leader, that how I can utilize everybody's skill together and I can utilize their skill, because everybody is having skill. I told that he is having the managing skill, he is having the administration, he is nicely, he is having the academic skills, he is handling different financial skill. I am going to use their skill for benefit of my organization, and that is the problem solving, because many type of institutions, they are going to now, what is happening because of lockdown, everything has changed. It has become a hybrid, you can say, offline online. So it has become the hybrid school, you can say. Okay, so how to face this? So it is the leader who is going to utilize the skills of all these people which are working in their institution. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, solution, as we have discussed that what has happened, why it has happened, where it has happened, when it has happened, who was responsible for whatever is happening, and how it has happened. When you will get a small questions are there, when you will get the answers for that, you will get one theory. You will get one theory that because of this it has happened, because of this action it has happened, it has occurred at this time. Yes, this problem might be it is avoidable if it has happened like this. So everything, all small questions, they will give a theory, and it will definitely, you will get the step where you are supposed to correct the problem, where you are supposed to solve the problem. So the leader has to take care of all this. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, here the transmission. Yes, what we will see. Yes, the people are thinking nowadays the sharing. Yes, the leader of the institution, academic men nowadays mainly it has previously. Yes, this is the institution mainly for this good academic. This is not okay normal, and this is the worst institution. But nowadays it is the requirement of the sharing of the knowledge you are having, sharing of the experiences you are having. Please share. That is one example you must have. I have given that the cream. Yes, the students. I would like to mention, sir, all sirs and madam of PCP, that whatever cream was there. Yes, Shatadhota Ghruta. That was the introduced by me in students. That yes, only homemade. What is required for the, what is required? Butter, water and copper plate and copper vessel to rotate. Yes, but the achievement, the joy of achievement, the satisfaction, because they have done it and that cream was used by their family members and it has given the result. They have used for their grandma, they have used for their grandfather, and that was the achievement what they have got. Again, the same person has given that idea to other, so it has automatically the idea was given. Now we have got the idea from our pharma. Now from pharma field it has gone to education. Now these students, they are also giving to others. So this is the now the sharing of ideas, it is very much required, and this is the area of problem in India. Now we are doing best, and now the people have started sharing, but previously it was not there. Previously whatever knowledge they were having, whatever the experience were, it was closed, it was not open, but nowadays it has been open platform. Thank you. Next one. I think yes, a solid foundation strategy, that is effective leaders have the strategy how to implement. Now NEP, if it is there, how to implement it, when to implement, what will be the circumstances where it can go wrong, where it will have the strong point, and who is going to, whatever the hurdles will be there, everything is planned, that if such type of such type of problems will be there, what will be the solution. That is the strategically the plan of action is prepared by the great leaders, and then it is implemented by convincing the followers effectively. Okay, so this is the strategy which is main important, and if the strategy is perfect, yes, definitely. I would like to give one example of Chanakya. Our Chanakya, he was having the perfect strategy which was followed by Chandragupta Maurya, and with that implementation he has achieved the great success. Yes, next ma'am. Yes, this is a few I can see here. The problem is reflected. Yes, problem should be solved properly. Yeah. So make habit when the kids are there, small kids, give them puzzles. They can start the brainstorming puzzles, maths, as I have mentioned, the Manthan is there. So different type of quizzes we are giving. Okay, so maths quizzes are given. So what is happening from childhood only, they are solving these puzzles. So their brain will start, it will get the training to solve the problem, to get the correct word, vocabulary will increase, and this will nurture the good habit among themselves. Yeah, next ma'am. Yeah, problem solving skills, as we have seen. Next ma'am, next. Yes, as I have mentioned, the different type of techniques you can give how to solve. So when they will start to solve the problem, this is a symbolic I have given. If I will go by this way, where I will, yes, but after traveling, after taking some steps, yes, the road is blocked, means this is not the correct way to solve the problem. So I will go by this. So this type of brain training will be there for the students. Yes, next ma'am, and he will get the solution. Yes, so imagination, visualization, then faith should be there, think, grow, reach. And here you will see the analogy, analysis, root cause analysis, okay, abstractions, whatever the abstract, whatever the concept you are going to see, or whatever the concept map is very important when the you want to give any solution. The concept immediately within some duration, you can elaborate it to your followers, definitely. Next ma'am. Solution. So effective problem solver will have the solution, he will not think about the problem. That is, he will eliminate the frustration, he will eliminate the misunderstanding, confusion before they become unmanageable. As I have discussed, the small problem, whenever they are there, think about that. Most of the time it happened that the problem solver, the leader, bad leaders, they are lacking this only. They are neglecting small problem, but it will become unmanageable, and that will be the huge problem for them. So build cooperation, eliminate the need of rework. So it happened that, yes, just now I mentioned the people are doing, yes, again digging the road, again doing that, again digging. So don't do that. Think about the strong solution and do it, implement it. Next, ma'am. Yes, why is problem solving skills important in the workplace? Because the leader has to think, logical thinking should be there, determination, the imagination, creativity. The employers like to see all these skills in their leader. So when he will start implementing all these skills, definitely the output, the result will be there, and which will be accepted by all for the growth of the institution. Yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, some key problem skills which includes active listening. Most of the time, the people are they are not listeners. Analysis, how we have seen why, how, and all. Research, it has happened, but how it has happened. The research is needed. Creativity, communication, then decision making, team building. All this we have seen. I have just enlisted it. Yeah. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, problem. Yes, when the problem is there, how we can convert this, we can transform our problem into our progress. That the beginner is there, then intermediate. Yes, beginner, intermediate, and expert. When you will do the trial and error method, yes, definitely the beginner will get transformed into experts. So the problem will get transformed into progress. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, so thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Dipti ma'am,
Vaishali
for
ma'am.
sharing.
Thank you
Yes,
so much,
yes,
Vaishali
yes,
ma'am, for highlighting the
yes,
significance
yes.
of problem solving skills in developing leadership qualities. No, ma'am, you have very well explained and identified and discussed various approaches for effective problem solving, which I'm sure all our participants will benefit from.
Yes,
So,
thank
if the participants have any questions, I
questions.
request them to please go ahead and ask Vaishali ma'am directly.
On this auspicious day, we have discussed problem solving. I think whatever when questions are not there, two types of things are there. Either they have not understood whatever I have conveyed, or they have understood. So what is the condition? I would like to know.
I'm sure
Anybody
they have
else
understood,
can
ma'am.
given the yeah, can give the comments,
Yeah, we can just
whatever
wait.
which I can improve. Yeah.
We can just wait if there are any questions.
Yeah.